And then the second lounge that we have news about is the Spaceship Earth Lounge. And we have some more details, including the name of this lounge,
which is called GEO 82, which sounds like Geostorm.
Geostorm! If you guys don't know what Geostorm is, do yourself a favor. If you're a fan of Gerard Butler, Jerry Butler, as he's affectionately called,
that movie.
He's fantastic. He's in that movie. Just go watch it. It's good.
But
it's actually not good. It's like so campy and like a silly movie that it's good in that way.
Yeah, and so obviously 82 refers to the year Epcot opened. But the lounge will serve those 21 years and older. This is a adult-only lounge. That is interesting.
It is interesting. I said, we talked about in the live stream last night, I think if any park is the least, I would just say, like, as a kid, I think the least favorite park of a kid would be Epcot.
Yeah.
Because a lot of the things that are, obviously there's some attractions and rides for kids, but for the most part, most people go to Epcot for the festivals.
Yeah.
You know, drinking around the world, eating around the world, whatever. So I guess if any park was going to do it, it would be Epcot. But it is different because even the bars around Disney World, you know, kids can come in there. I don't know if they can sit at the bar itself, but like kids can go in, sit at tables and stuff like that. So it's definitely different from everything else, like alcohol-related establishments around property.
It's true. Since Disney says that this lounge will be the ultimate spot to toast to a trip around Epcot with innovative cocktails and globally influenced small plates while you take in spectacular park views. Now, reservations will be required. This is not a walk-up situation. We were thinking about it last night, like, what will they do about time limits? Are they going to be like Oga's Cantina, where they only allow you to stay like 45 minutes? Is that going to be one of those things?
I do wonder, because you know everybody's going to want to get in there for fireworks.
Yeah, because if you're unfamiliar with where it's located, is if you're looking at if you're looking toward the Figment Topiary right now, that's in the middle of World Celebration Gardens. There you can see Spaceship Earth behind it. There is I don't even know, just like almost like a row of windows on the back that looks like it kind of surrounds the outside of Spaceship Earth. That is where the lounge is going. This used to be a Siemens lounge, like they used to be sponsoring Spaceship Earth, and it used to be used for some other stuff there, but they haven't used it in a long time, and this is a great use of that space. So,
yeah.
As far as like not letting children in and being 21 and older, you know, I think that it is. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that.
Yeah,
but that's just my opinion.
It's also too, like, for the most part. I mean, you know, I've never been personally in a Disney bar that I've seen people getting like plastered. Also, because you would have to, like, you know, that's an investment. You're going to spending hundreds of dollars to do that. A lot of money. I don't know. It's one of those things where obviously this is, you know, people are going to say this is placating to the Disney adults crowd, which I think Epcot is the park that does that the most. So I suppose if you're going to do this, Epcot is the park to do it. It's just very interesting that I was surprised to see that. Because like Nomad Lounge, kids can go in there. All the other lounges around property, like the Pirates of the Caribbean lounge that they're doing in Magic Kingdom as well. That one I believe is going to be for families. So
I think this is one of those wait and see things too, because they may change it. It may just be 21 and up for now, and then they may change it later. Who knows?
It also could be a way to try and reduce the capacity, because obviously this is going to, like, families with, you know, their kids aren't going to be able to go in here, so they may be trying to limit just by doing that. And if not enough people come in here, maybe they loosen it. It could be something like that, but
I don't think they'll have a problem.
Probably
to be honest.
not. Probably not.
I think they'll be fine.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's a little update on that.
Yes. So you can check that out. Have they said when it opens?
No. Yeah. Not definitely. I think summer.
I would assume.
Spring.
I would assume you're going to see it within. I would say by June for sure.
You think so?
If not sooner.
Hopefully.